Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Salesforce Marketing Cloud tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Salesforce Marketing Cloud tracking, begin by logging into your Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. Navigate to the Setup menu in the top right corner of the screen. In the Setup menu, locate the Tracking section in the left sidebar. Click on Tracking to expand the options available. Find and select tracking codes under the Tracking section. Review the list of tracking codes currently being used in your account. Identify the specific tracking code you wish to uninstall. Click on the name of the tracking code to access its settings. Within the settings, locate the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Delete to initiate the uninstallation process. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up window that appears. Once confirmed, the tracking code will be removed from your account. To ensure the code is fully uninstalled, check for any integration points where the tracking code might still be referenced. If necessary, revisit the areas where the tracking code was implemented in your website or app. Remove any leftover references to the tracking code in your codebase. Save all changes made to your website or app files. Revisit Salesforce Marketing Cloud and verify that the tracking code no longer appears in your tracking codes list. Testing your website or app after uninstalling the tracking code is essential to ensure proper functionality. Check your analytics to confirm that data collection has ceased for the uninstalled tracking code. Once everything is confirmed, the uninstallation process is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.